What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel where you learn how to grow your business with email marketing. My name is Jasper. I'm an email marketer and the co-founder of Grab Digital at grabdigital.co. Now today I want to talk to you about the VIP email series, the very important person. This email flow is one of the most crucial flows if you want to reward your customers for making repeat purchases from your brand. Having somebody show loyalty is far more cost effective and beneficial to your business in growing your revenue and increasing your branding than it is to find a new customer and try to look out and create an ad and blast it out to a million people and then have somebody come back. It's so much more effective to convert a returning user than it is to find a new user. And there's a ton of statistics and studies to back this up, which I'll put in the comments below. But for now, let's focus on how to craft a beautiful, well-designed, good offer with your VIP Klaviyo flow. I'm going to show you exactly how the email looks from the computer, how to design it, how to write the copy, and the offers that you can make. I'm going to give you a couple ideas, but I cannot show you the actual final email because that is going to push their privacy issues, and I don't want to showcase what is going on behind the scenes for this specific brand. It's not fair to them. So as for you creating an offer and an email for your brand, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. So stick along and let's get started. All right, here we are in the document for the VIP emails. And before I get into it, I just want to say that these emails, once again, are very generic. They are not highly specific toward the audience. And that's because the offer that this brand has to show their audience is special, and I don't want to showcase that for privacy reasons. So please take this as a general template and we can run through exactly how you can do it for your brand. So the first thing is what I do here is I take all the emails. You can see that there's 4 pages here. In each of these pages, it's one email that is going to be sent. And so you can see here that I have the trigger here after somebody places their second order. So when somebody orders twice, then here's the objective. Thank them for their business and let them know how much we love them. Tell them they're 2 orders away from unlocking VIP status. So maybe this is before you make the person a VIP status. And you want to consider for your brand, how many purchases does somebody have to make until they become a VIP member? And you might recognize that there's a lot of customers that make 2 or 3 purchases, so maybe the VIP special discount would only begin at 4 purchases. And the next VIP tier, which would starting from bronze, probably go to silver. So here's bronze, and then the second one is silver. So after somebody places their 6th order, so somebody orders a lot from this brand, so we want to make that order limit higher. And you're going to increase the tiered discounts based on the number of orders, or you're going to increase the tiered offer, or whatever that might look like for your brand. And I've seen it anywhere from a simple increase in discounts or a increase in free offerings. Maybe you have free accessories to put along inside the box with your primary product, or maybe you give them free voucher or buy one get one 50% off. There's a million ideas out there, but be creative, think about what would work for your brand, and be sure that you make a custom code through Klaviyo's dynamic code program that will not be copied by a bunch of random people, because if you submit a 50% off code online and people get a hold of it, you're going to be screwed over. So make sure that it's a dynamic code that is unique to the customer, and also make sure that the code expires, because there needs to be a sense of urgency and you need to let the customer understand that this is a very special occasion. They got selected into the VIP program, and so as a result of being selected, they only get to receive this special discount for a few days, and that's it. So once you've written the idea of the docs, of the content on the doc, then you're going to go off into Klaviyo and create a segment for the first group of people. So let's assume that you already have a thank you purchase email in store. So somebody who purchases once already, they're already going to get a thank you email. That's all said and done. Now, after they purchased 2 or 3 items, let's just say 2 items for now, let's create a segment for those people. So we're going to name this purchase twice VIP. This is what I call the segment for this one in particular. GD stands for Grab Digital. That's my company. And for the definition, we'll put someone who has placed an order is equal to 2 overall time. And one thing you're going to want to make sure that it's not just all time, it's actually in the last however many days you think is right for you. So the purchase period for this brand in particular is a little bit longer. People don't purchase for months at a time. So I'm just gonna say 90 days. Somebody placed 2 orders within 90 days and somebody is not suppressed for email. So we're gonna go ahead and create the segment and it's gonna come out with a list of people, 3,800 members. So I'm not gonna show that list because that's there's privacy issues, but here we created the email for the bronze VIP. So once somebody orders twice and gets into that segment, you create a segmented flow that sends them this email. Oh wow, you're in. Thanks again for being such a loyal customer. It means everything to us. Because you've ordered from us 4 times, or I suppose that's what it was, your first gift has been unlocked. And the first gift, of course, generically is the bronze VIP 20% discount code. And if you preview this email, it looks like this. Here's the preview. And it will show up in their email as a nice little preview. And of course, make it relative to your VIP special branding name or whatever you want it to be. Just make sure that it's a dynamic code. And then finally, here's just a little thank you. We want to continue serving you. And then finally, there's a silver VIP status. Benefits will be unlocked in 1 more order. So we're incentivizing another tier of discounts or offers at the next order, or however much that means for your brand. And then of course they're going to click on this button and then go to your web page, and you can make it dynamically hooked on to that discount, so they can get a discount as soon as they click the button. And then you could add a couple product images down here below. So this is the bronze VIP email, and that's all good. Now the second email that they get after they order another 1 time or 2 times, however much it is, they get this email. 1 up. You've been upgraded from bronze to silver. And you can make this as special as you want. Make the person feel like they're really a part of something. And these are generic emails, so it's not going to feel that way. But it just says, thank you for continuing to trust our quality and service. We'll do everything in our power to ensure your satisfaction with every order. Please enjoy your silver VIP reward, and copy and paste the checkout, or just do a dynamic code where they can click and they go directly to that product with the discount. So here's the 30% off code. When you preview it, it's going to show up. And once again, coupon expires in 3 days. That's crucial. And finally, of course, here's the teaser again. You're only 2 orders away from unlocking your gold VIP member status and rewards. Would you like to check out some more products? And you always leave it hinting. You can add a timer if you want to the email, add some more different products, whatever it is, your best sellers, your newly released products, anything. Just get the person to purchase another few times, 2 more orders. And finally, once they order 2 more times, they get into the gold VIP status, where it's like this. Deep thank you from all of us at company name. And you can have a personal photo. This one's a little bit more personal because these people are your highest purchasers. They are your most valuable customers. They have absolute faith in your brand. They believe in your mission. They care about you. They know about you. They share your product with your friends. These people are so good to you. And if you can't offer them something incredible in return, then I don't know what you're doing. You gotta go out there and give them something good. So here we say, you're incredible. It's an absolute pleasure serving you our very best. As a top VIP club member, you have unlocked our exclusive gold VIP discount of 50%. Please help yourself off in our store for 40% off. Okay, that's a typo here, but you get the point. This is pretty straightforward. And if you want to add even more tiers, that's up to you. And you don't have to make it based on the number of purchased. You can also do it based on the value of the purchases. Sometimes you might have a lot of very low cost items that they just keep adding to get the discounts. That's that's not going to be good for your brand. So you can decide whether you want to do it by the number of orders or by the amount that they spent, the value of the customer. And of course, expires in 3 days. And just remind the customer that you value them as your number one customer. So that's basically it for the VIP series. If you have any ideas, you've seen any cool ideas in the past, you want to share them with me, go ahead and let me know. Or if you have any questions, I'm here to answer them for you. This is how I do the VIP series for a brand. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed that. If that was helpful to you, let me know down below or leave a like. That helps the channel grow. And I want to help you continue growing your business with email marketing. So if you'd like to continue receiving tips on how to grow, then subscribe to my channel and you'll be receiving weekly tips. Anyway, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.